Why updating Apple ID settings not working? How to solve. This video will detail all aspects about update Apple ID settings stuck issue, including its causes and potential fixes that can help you resolve the issue without losing any data. Part 2. How to fix update Apple ID settings stuck on iPhone iPad. Fix 1. Restart or force restart your iPhone. Fix 2. Make sure your Apple ID is correct. Fix 3. Sign out of Apple ID and sign in. Fix 4. Check internet connection. Fix 5. Check Apple system status. Fix 6. Update iOS. Fix 7. Fix iPhone system issues. Fix 8. Reset all settings. Go to Settings on your iPhone and select General. Click the Reset option at the bottom of the page. Select Reset all settings and enter your PIN to confirm.